Take a ride in the 2019 Model 3. The Tesla Model 3 was built for safety, technology, efficiency, and acceleration. That rare combination makes this a vehicle for the ages. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual moonroof, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, wheel covers, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive, LED headlights, four-wheel disc brakes, mini spare tire. Come take a test drive today.